Hi, I'm Heather Earnhardt, chef owner of Tokeland Hotel and Restaurant here in Tokeland, Washington. It's the oldest hotel in Washington State, and today we're going to cook some rockfish and grits. This rockfish is caught out off the coast of Washington. It comes in through Westport. So we're just going to do some salt and pepper. And then we have our cornmeal dredge that has cornmeal, salt, pepper, some other spices in there. We're just going to pat it, the fish gently. Shake off any excess, and then this is going to get fried at 375 in a deep fryer. So while that's cooking, we're going to cook some grits. Salted boiling water. We have Boonville grits from Boonville, North Carolina. These are stone ground grits, and you just whisk it while you're adding the grits. Add a little butter. Salt and pepper. So you know the fish is done when the bubbles start to slow down a little. Try not to break it. Do a few big scoops of those stone ground grits. Lay your fish right on top. I like to add a couple poached eggs for breakfast. And then we have some homemade hollandaise that I made earlier, and that's gonna go just right on top. Garnish with a little Creole seasoning, some parsley, and we still have edible flowers left in our garden, so I like to garnish with some of those. And that's it, there you have it. Low country fish and grits with poached eggs and hollandaise over stone ground Boonville Farm grits and rockfish from Westport, Washington.